Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bichon token. Now the Bichon token is live for pre-sale right now on their webpage. They've already raised over $147,000 for this pre-sale. This is an ongoing pre-sale, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter, their x.com, in the corner of the screen there, so you guys can easily find this project. It is at Bichon_fun. And they have a link to their webpage, which is right there as well, bichon.fun. You can see how brand new this entire project is. If you look at the date on their Twitter, they just joined X in March 2024. 392 followers so far. And they also just got listed on Coin Sniper. So that is basically their only tweet here, talking about their pre-sale being live. And it looks like it's going to go for a while still. It goes all the way until March 31st. So it started March 5th, basically 2 days ago. And it goes all the way till March 31st, 9 o'clock. I'm assuming that's UTC time. So this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. They also have a Telegram that you could follow at Bichon_chat that has 495 members so far. 5 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion with the community, learn more, see updates, things like that. And then, if you go to their webpage, there is a pre-sale button, or you could just go right over to presale.bichon.fun. And what will pop up, a big rectangle, it says Bichon Presale. So their goal here is $500,000. They're looking to get $500,000. And they're on their way. They've already raised $147,732.86 USD. And so you can connect your wallet to the page. And you can buy this token with BNB or USDT. And you punch in how much, say, BNB you want to spend. It'll show you how many Bichon tokens you will receive for that amount. And then you can click purchase. And so they have, ticker symbol is BCF. They show the price here. So 1 BCF right now equals 0.000125 USDT. So if you get stuck too, they also have a how to buy section that's going to guide you through the steps there. They have a claim section, token details, how to buy, frequently asked questions, connect your wallet button. They have a white paper available on their webpage as well. So all sorts of different links there. So welcome to Bichon, where woofs and wealth collide. So Coin Sniper is where you're going to find all these links to as well, and pre-sale information. Are you tired of the same old financial barktivities? Well, say hello to Bichon, the positively revolutionary meme coin that's changing the game one wag at a time. Participate now in the limited time only pre-sale to become part of the Bichon family and earn long-term rewards. My page is freezing up here. That's great. So right after the pre-sale is over, since this is a Binance Smart Chain token, this token will most likely go over to Pancakeswap. So if you end up missing this pre-sale, no worries, because shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to Pancakeswap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for this token using the contract address that you'll be able to find on their webpage at bichon.fun. So they have partners on here as well. One of them is Coin Sniper, where they just got listed. Another one is CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So shortly after the pre-sale is done, they're looking to get listed on some of these listing sites with charts. So you'll be able to see the chart on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They also have BSC Scan is one of their partners, so they'll be on there. And Binance. So, I mean, obviously, all the BNB coins are eventually looking to get a Binance listing. So, Bichon is more than just a mascot. It's the heart of Bichon, a symbol of playfulness and loyalty. Bichon is a community-driven crypto adventure. Dive into a world where memes meet finance, and join us as we redefine the crypto experience with Bichon's charm. Prepare for tail-spinning adventure as you dive into the world of Bichon, our fluffy mascot. He's more than just a dog, he's the alpha of the crypto kennel. With Bichon, we have created a revolutionary digital currency that is designed for simplicity, security, and accessibility. Our goal is to provide a seamless crypto experience for everyone, whether you're an experienced trader or a curious beginner. Bichon is here to meet your needs and assist you in exploring digital currencies. So ticker symbol BSF, they have a total supply here of 99,999,999,999 tokens. It says the full name of this Bichon is Bichon Frise, F-R-I-S-E. So they do have taxes for later on. So if you are going to buy or sell this token later on from Pancakeswap, it says there is a 5% tax. So you most likely will have to set your slippage around 5% for buy, sells, and maybe transfers. Now, how the token is allocated, it's split up like this. So 30% of the tokens go to marketing and community, 30% central exchange listings, 20% decentralized exchange listings, and 20% pre-sale. Now, on their roadmap, they're starting with Phase 1, smart contract deployment, official web production, creating community and social media. Phase 2 is pre-sale start, promotional marketing, achieve 1,000 holders. Phase 3, listing on decentralized exchanges like Pancakeswap, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and then centralized exchanges. And then Phase 4, achieve 10,000 holders listed on top-tier central exchange listings, achieve a market capitalization of $1 million, and become a leading BNB meme coin. So there's some frequently asked questions that you could check out here. Pretty much went over all of them already. And yeah, so there's 2 different Telegram groups you can follow at the bottom of their page. Their Twitter, bichon.fun, or you could go to presale.bichon.fun. It's really easy to find their buy now button right on their webpage. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.